What is your cat trying to tell you? Purring. Purring is a low, continuous humming sound that cats produce through rapid contractions of the muscles in their larynx. It is generally considered a sign that a cat is feeling happy and relaxed, but in some cases, it can also indicate pain or discomfort. For example, a cat in pain or feeling stressed may purr to self-soothe. Meowing. Cats meow to communicate with their owners and other animals. The tone, volume, and frequency of meowing can vary greatly and indicate different things. For example, a soft, pleading meow may indicate hunger or thirst, while a loud, demanding meow may indicate a need for attention. Some cats may meow more frequently as they age, which can signify confusion or disorientation. Flicking tail. The movement of a cat's tail can indicate its mood and level of excitement. A flicking tail can indicate a cat is irritated, excited, or alert. For example, a cat that is stalking prey or playing may flick its tail, while a cat that is feeling aggressive or threatened may lash its tail. Though a swishing tail normally implies contentment in canines, felines may not demonstrate the same emotion when exhibiting a similar action. In reality, it may indicate something quite distinct. When cats are seen wagging their tails, it usually symbolizes raised exuberance, vexation, or exasperation. His could be a sign to conclude whatever you are doing, or they could become furious and lash out. When just the end of the tail is swishing, this mostly means your cat is getting ready to jump at something, be it their dearest plaything or your limb. Please pay attention to your cat's body language to understand what they are trying to communicate. If you notice your cat's tail wagging, take a step back and observe them before making sudden movements. This will help ensure you and your pet remain safe and happy. Arching back. An arched back can signify a cat's fear, anger, or excitement. For example, a cat who feels threatened or defensive may arch its back and puff up its fur, while a cat feeling playful or curious may arch its back and wag its tail. Ears. The position of a cat's ears can provide important cues about its mood and level of alertness. Ears that are forward and upright can indicate interest or excitement, while ears that are flat against the head can indicate fear or aggression. If a cat's ears twitch or move rapidly, it may feel nervous or wary. Slow blinking. Slow blinking is a sign of relaxation and trust in a cat. When a cat feels comfortable and relaxed in its surroundings, it may close its eyes and blink slowly, which is a sign that it feels safe and secure. Kneading. Kneading is common in which a cat pushes its paws in and out against a soft surface, such as a blanket or a piece of clothing. This behavior is often associated with contentment and happiness, but can signify anxiety or stress. For example, a cat feeling nervous or stressed may need as a way of self-soothing. Scratching. Scratching is an important behavior for cats, as it allows them to sharpen their claws, remove dead tissue from their nails, and mark their territory. Cats may scratch objects in their environment, such as furniture or walls, to leave their scent and signal to other cats that the area is claimed. If a cat is scratching excessively, it may indicate feeling stressed or anxious or not getting enough opportunities to scratch in appropriate places. The eyes are the main way for cats to communicate. Felines regularly communicate a great deal through their gaze. If a cat's eyes are open wide, it typically implies heightened attentiveness and knowledge of the situation. Different clues, resembling body attitude and facial expression, will affirm if the cat is comfortable or menaced. Squinted eyes imply that the cat is cautious yet might be frightened or hostile. It is necessary to find other cues to interpret the cat's emotions precisely. If the eyes are lazily open or closed, this usually means that the cat is relaxed and content. Pupil dilation can also provide insight into a cat's emotional state. Wide pupils can signal high interest, excitement, fear, or aggression. By learning how cats communicate through their eyes, we can better understand our feline friends and create stronger bonds with them. What cat whiskers are saying? Cat whiskers are an important tool for cats to understand their environment. They act as sensory organ, helping cats detect changes in air currents and vibrations. By observing the position of a cat's whiskers, we can gain insight into how the cat is feeling. When the whiskers are forward and stiff, it usually means that the cat is alert and focused on something. This could result from spotting a potential threat or food source. On the other hand, if the whiskers are back and relaxed, this usually means that the cat is calm and content. Lastly, if the whiskers are bristled, this usually indicates fear or aggression from the cat. It is important to note that these cues should be taken in context with other body language signals from your cat to understand their feelings accurately.